Beautiful day here in SoCal. Today's the 11th of October. It was actually sprinkling this morning. It's a lot cooler when the clouds get over the sun, but when the sun breaks through, it's still pushing almost 80 degrees. But it's a great day. We've got to get these in the ground. So what I have here are the home saved pea seeds that we sprouted back on the 17th. And today is the 11th of October, so less than a month. Those are really ready to go in the ground. There's 3 plants in each cell, so there's a lot of roots. It's definitely not root bound, but it's ready to go in the ground. They're super happy, and we're going to stick them in the ground today. The other thing we're going to put in the ground are these multi-sown clumps of beetroot. So these are really happy and healthy. They could probably stay in the tray another few weeks, but we're going to get them out because I've learned the sooner you plant your beets, the happier they are and the better they do. We're going to get the beets in the ground today. We're going to get the peas in the ground today, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. Get your digger tool or your dibber. This is a long handled dibber here. It's simply just a shovel handle that we rounded off and flattened at the end, and it works great to poke a hole, slide all of your modules in. Have a great day, and I hope you learned something. All right, we're gonna plant our peas in that bed right there, because in those 2 beds right there, we're going to grow garlic, and peas are a nitrogen fixing plant. So we're gonna plant them there. The peas will be done before the garlic pops up through the ground for the most part. We'll cut the peas off at the base of the soil. We'll leave the root balls in the ground with all the fixed nitrogen, and it will give food for our garlic. Don't be afraid to plant your peas and your nitrogen fixing legumes closer together than normal. We're planting our clumps about every 4 to 5 inches, and we're not growing them for seed this year. We're growing them for shoots, which you pop off and you eat them like a green. They're really great. They taste just like peas, and you get them way before you'd ever get the pods. Now we're simply going to go through and put our clumps in the ground. See, you've got 3 peas to a clump that works really well for shoots. Next thing you got to do is water them in, okay? Don't fill the holes back up with dirt. Just water them in gently. You're good to go. Now we'll do the same thing with the beets. We'll put these clumps of beets about 9 inches apart. As you twist out the big one, it gives you more room in the clump for the other ones to enlarge and get larger. That's the greatest thing about multi-sown beets. Once again, gently water them in. Try not to drown the leaves. Do not drown the leaves into the hole. Got to be careful on beets. And I hope you learned something.